Meteorologists tell us that we're going to get hit with a big snowstorm. We're all preparing for that storm. As you go about getting groceries and rock salt for your driveways and sidewalks and a new shovel, here are a few additional items that you should pick up to ensure that you're ready for anything that the weather might bring. In your emergency preparedness kit, you should have a flashlight. We recommend that you keep the batteries outside of the flashlight so that the batteries don't drain out. I have a battery-operated radio. Just in case the power goes out, you can still get information with a battery-powered radio. We also have in these kits a whistle. The whistle is critical so that you can let first responders know where you are. This is called an MRE. It's prepared food. It's non-perishable. I recommend peanut butter or tuna. Definitely not this. It'll keep you alive, but it's not tasty. Go for the peanut butter. A first aid kit is absolutely essential. And check yours. And while you're at it, refill your prescriptions. If we should lose water, you need a gallon of water for every person in your home, 1 gallon for each person each day. It could take up to 3 days for first responders to reach you. You also need a gallon of water for your pets. These are important essentials that every home should have. Check your supplies. Get ready for anything that could possibly happen. Most importantly, know that the Red Cross is always here for you.